Hello students, today we are going to learn how to write a summary. For this we are going to focus on some of the steps in summary writing and some of the techniques in summary writing. So let's get started. Steps in summary writing. You have to read the article very carefully because without understanding the article you are not going to be able to write down your summary. Then from this article you have to divide the article into sections. Okay. And from those sections you're going to identify what are the important parts in the summary. Then from each section you need to write one sentence, and then you need to combine those sentences and formulate those sentences, which is going to be called thesis statement. Now you can started to write your summary, which is going to be your first draft. Okay, when you start to write down your summary, remember you have to express those in your own words. Do not copy from the text. It will going to make your writing less qualityful. If it is very important, you can take those some of the important quotes from the text. So occasional supporting ideas if necessary. If it is very necessary, you can take the supporting ideas, but try to avoid that. Now you need to remember some of the important parts during summary writing. You have to focus on those notes. Okay. First of all, you need to eliminate unnecessary words and repetition. Do not use the words which is unnecessary and avoid repetition in your summary. Eliminate personal ideas and inferences. Do not use some sentences or words which is not relevant to the text. Use transitions for a smooth and logical flow of ideas. Use some transitions so that your writing will be smooth, looks like logical. Conclude with a summing up sentence. Try to write down the last sentence of your summary, which will help your readers to understand that now you're going to finish your summary. Okay, it shouldn't be like that you just simply telling something and stop that in there. Do not do this. It will confuse the readers. Now we are going to look at the techniques in summary writing. At first we are going to look that what are the techniques that will help you to write a summary. Paraphrasing. When you paraphrase something, your summary will look much more correct. So what is paraphrasing? Paraphrasing is a topic sentence in a sentence that summarizes the main idea of a paragraph or text, which is also known as focus sentence. It will also offer the readers an insightful view of the writer's main idea. So this paraphrasing is very important. So now we are going to see what are the examples, how you can paraphrase your main text. Okay, from your main text. You have cooked us all a hot potato. It seems that the sentence is something very talking about that a troublesome person or maybe a troublesome issues. The second sentence, prevention is better than cure. So here you can write by paraphrasing, it is better to prevent something unpleasant from happening than try to put it right afterwards. So you simply paraphrase this sentence. Then you can grasping the central ideas. Okay. Of course, you have to identify what is the central idea, and based on that, you have to write your summary. Use synonyms or synonymous phrases. For example, he had a good command of English. Rather, you can write by this from instead of that, he knew English well. So what you can do, you just use the synonym of good and use well. Turn complex sentences into simple sentences. Turn the complex sentences into simple sentences, like he received a welcome that was as cold as ice. you can write here, he received an icy welcome. Okay. Then combines the sentence. Just combine 2 sentences or 3 sentences, or it can be more. For example, hurry up. If you don't, you will miss the train. You can write here, hurry up or you will miss the train. We join 2 sentences by adding or. Then finding the topic sentence and make an outline. You need to find what is the topic sentence. It will help you to write your summary precisely. Then after finding the topic sentence, just make an outline, then started writing, so that you can easily write down your summary. By following all the techniques, you can easily write down your summary, and it will give readers a better understanding about your summary. Thank you everyone for listening.